Okay, guys, so we got the small TV here that we're going to try to be repairing because when you hit the power button, nothing happens. I don't know what's the matter with it, so we're going to tear into it. So I'm going to take the back off and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I took it apart. As you can see, it's open right now. The problem is this power button don't work. And I know it's the power button because I can turn it on by shorting across the switch with a screwdriver on the prongs on the back. As you can see, it comes on. So I know what it is. It's the switch. So I can just get a new switch and solder it in. That ain't bad. It's just a little button. Just got to unsolder, solder a new one in, and problem solved. If you guys are having problems, that could be what it is. Thank you guys for watching.